Anong kwentong amusok mo? Did you know that the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific, or famously known as MAAP, is one of the dreams made come true by none other than the late Captain Gregorio S. Oca, the same founder of AMUSUP? He envisioned MAAP to be the best maritime institution in the country that can compete hand in hand with the best the world has to offer. I am Melbert Covacha Alba, currently serving under Maersk, and I have been with the company for a little more than 15 years, dating back since I was a dual cadet. I graduated in MAAP with the Leganeas class of 2010 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation and Engineering. Before I graduated in high school, I don't even know if I can go to college because of the financial struggle my family is facing at that time. Then a letter came that states that I passed the entrance exam for MAAP. MAAP is giving full scholarships to its cadets, so it was a no-brainer. I fully embraced and took the opportunity that was given to me. Manned by the best instructors and personnel, plus the best equipment and facilities, such as state-of-the-art simulators, educational excellence is top-notch. But out of all the knowledge and experience I learned inside the four walls of the academy, I found my father figures to whom I am forever grateful. Hats off to Mar Santos, Captain Gerlo El Chico, and Second Lieutenant Ramon Quinto. They made the boys and girls who entered the realms of MAAP to be fine and honorable ladies and gentlemen. Don't get me wrong, no one has ever said that studying in MAAP is a walk in the park. You need to do your fair share of effort and sacrifice. Don't get me wrong, no one has ever said that studying in MAAP is a walk in the park. You need to do your fair share of effort and sacrifice. But equipped with your faith in God, support from your family and loved ones, and living with the principles Virtus, Fides, et Disciplina, you will become the best version of yourself ever there will be. All of this is made possible thanks to the father of modern-day Filipino seafarers, the late Captain Gregorio S. Oca. His dreams made my dream to be a reality. Ikaw, anong kwentong amusok mo?